so I volunteered with a preschool disabled program in Harrison Township, and I was able to volunteer with the occupational therapist there, which was an incredible experience because that's what I would like to do when I'm older, is to be an occupational therapist. I was able to work with autistic children, which is the population that I would like to work with, and it was just an incredible experience. I was also able to volunteer with the occupational therapists at Inspira Hospital in Woodbury, and that was also an incredible experience. That gave me a different experience with an occupational therapist because it was the hospital base, so that was awesome too. I had a really heartfelt experience at the preschool disabled program that I volunteered with in Harrison Township. There was a little boy named Cole who I felt like I had a special connection with. He was a nonverbal autistic child, and I was swinging him one day on a swing, and I was able to get him to use sign language to tell me that he wanted more. And I felt like that was a breakthrough because he is nonverbal, and the fact that I was just a volunteer and he was communicating with me, it was very heartfelt. My experience at Inspira Hospital was also incredible. I was able to not only shadow the occupational therapist, but also she allowed me to do some hands-on work with the patients, and that was awesome because that was one of my first experiences along with an OT. So she allowed me to help the patients. She showed me different exercises that I could do with the patients. And I also volunteered with the PT section too, so that was very cool. What inspired me to get involved with these organizations was when I was a sophomore, I was diagnosed with hip dysplasia, and it was really my occupational therapist who helped me after I had 2 radical hip surgeries. My occupational therapist made such a difference in my life that right as soon as I was recovered, I wanted to get involved with as many organizations as I could to help give back. I think it's important for high school students to get involved in the community and give back because it's such an incredible experience. I don't think a lot of students realize how much the community really does for you, so having the opportunity to give back, it's incredible. I'd like to take the time to thank my parents. They've been my biggest support system through this all, and especially my occupational therapist, Ronnie, who I volunteered with at the preschool disabled program. She made such a difference in my life, and she's really the reason why I was introduced to University of the Sciences, where I'll be studying occupational therapy. So thank you so much. For people to get involved with the charities that I got involved with, I would say definitely just go through with the entire application process. I know a lot of times volunteering in a hospital requires a lot, like background checks and everything, but it's such a great experience that it's definitely worth the process. When Mr. Vail called me to tell me that I received the award, I was absolutely ecstatic. He said very nice things about me, and I was just absolutely honored to receive the award. I would just like to thank the Chamber for the award. Thank you so much. This has been quite the honor to receive this award, so thank you.